Hello, it's Mercedes here. I just wanted to make a small video to help people log on to the VLE if you're finding it difficult. And I'm going to show you in two ways. One way you can just log on through Safari or Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, whatever your browser is. And the other way is how you can do it through the app on your phone. So, if you're going in through Safari or a browser, you can see up here in the search bit, you can type in, and we're going to type in VLE.glasgowclyde.ac.uk. This comes up for me because I use this website a lot. And that might happen for you if it's something you use a lot. You press a return, and you can see here that you are taken to the VLE page. Over here, you want to log in, and you log in by putting in your username. Now, for me, that's my name, but for you, because you're a student, it will be your student number. And your student number has 8 letters in it. It normally begins with the number 20. And then it has 6 numbers after that. Look at your student card, it will tell you your student number. So you type in your number here. Remember, it's got 8 numbers in it. And then your password. Now, for some of you, the password is Glasgow, no capitals. For other of you, you have your own password, so you need to try and remember that. If you don't remember it and it's not working, you can email your teacher and your teacher can try and get it reset for you. So here you're going to put in your number, or for me, my name, and here your password, where it says password, and then you're going to log in. I have lots of classes because I'm the teacher, but you're going to go to your one and it will have your code. So if you're a beginner's class, this is your code, elementary. For 16 plus elementary class, then this is your code here and you will click on it. And you can see that is our class. And it has websites, punctuation, vocabulary, adjectives, tenses, and you can go through that just clicking on the buttons and doing any of the exercises you want to do there. Okay, now that's how you can do it if you're going through Safari or a browser. But if you are using it on your phone and you have already downloaded the app, the Glasgow Clyde College app is a purple button like this, and you can get it through the iTunes store or the Google store. Okay, if you've got an Android phone, you're going to download this app. I've downloaded it here. Then you click on it, and when you click on it, it comes up with lots of little buttons like this. The button that you're going to pick is this button here, which says VLE. And when you click on this button, it takes you to this page. And that's what we were looking at a minute ago. That is the VLE website. And here again, it will say log in here to get started. You click where this little purple arrow is, and it will take you to your username. Remember, it's your student number, begins with 20, has 8 numbers in it, and then your password. And then you just press login. So that's 2 different ways of getting onto the VLE using your phone. One is through the app and the other one is through the internet. Good luck!